stink. Woo. I'm already regretting this. Okay. Hopefully I get like a good flavored one. The first one here is either, oh no, I gotta show it. I just put a picture of it up. Okay, so the first one is this one. Black. You either get burnt rubber or licorice. That was burnt rubber. Uh-oh. Ugh. In the back of my throat. Ugh. Okay, this one's either gonna be wet dog food or top banana. Oh, still, that burnt rubber still though. That's banana. Banana, I get a. Banana cool. Ain't the best. I get a 6. Not bad. I don't know. I figured out when I tried it, but it's just pink one. I can't tell because there's no pink on this one. It's just. I guess the pink one's peach and barf, I guess. You gotta suck on it for a minute to get it to it. Pause. You gotta suck on. Pause. You gotta put it in your mouth for pause. Don't worry about it. Okay. The one problem with these is I can tell what this one is. I think it's peach. The one problem I'm finding with these, they all in the same thing. They're touching against each other. So the flavors and the smells kind of mixing together. So it's kind of hard to, no. Okay, blue. Blueberry or toothpaste. Can't go wrong with either one. Toothpaste. I'm saving this one because I might need it. Not bad. I'm guessing it's either wet dog food or top banana. Wait, did I do this one? Stink. It was dog food. Oh, the ketchup kind of helped a little bit. I had to use ketchup. No. Okay. This is either liver and onions or cooked cappuccino. Oh, hold on. Still there. Oh. That's cappuccino. Yeah. Not bad. It's okay. Bro, that burnt rubber and that dog food is still there, bro. Ugh. What's the dead fish? Oh no. Strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish? Okay. This is the last one. Juicy pear or booger? No. Oh my, I look bigger than. I got that Force Whitaker eye. That's booger, bro. No. That's... I'm dead. I'm dead.